Good morning, Miss Kiki. We are from Group 1. We'll present to you our review about ebook reader from Wattpad with the book title is Dear Nathan. Next.
Based on our opinion, Wattpad as e-book reader have strength and weakness feature. The strength feature are first, can make stories according to their own ideas. The Wattpad application is a great place to express ideas, experience, creation, and more in the form of writing and allows users to work in the field of writing. Second, does not cost a lot. The Wattpad application allows you to read stories offline. Third, there is a grouping of stories. The Wattpad application has a story menu according to each category. Then the weakness feature are first, need a quota to add to the reading list. To connect to the large collection of Wattpad, users need an internet connection. Second, ads often appear in it. Even tough, this is a free application, you have to be willing to have advertisement in it. Third, there is adult content that is easily accessible to anyone. Wattpad has a limitation feature for adult content. It's just that many users can get away with manipulating their personal data.
Next is what the book is about. So this book or this novel tells the story of two teenagers who are in high school named Nathan and Salma with various experiences. Since the news about Nathan liking for a woman spread, it made Dina, who was eyeing him, to feel unacceptable. Dinda then approached Salma and tried to stay away from Nathan and not to seek attention with Nathan. However, Nathan said that he loved Salma and treated Dinda. Before receiving treats from Dinda, Nathan had expressed his feelings to Salma but had not received an answer from Salma. One night, Nathan invited Salma to enjoy the beauty of Monash. Salma was amazed by this first experience. Nathan also asked for the confirmation of the answer he had been waiting for. Salma also said that she was willing to become a close friend of Nathan. Next, one day, Nathan took Salma to the place where Daniel, who was his twin, died. The two of them are complete opposite. Daniel is smarter, more quiet, calm, and makes his mother proud. In contrast to Nathan, who often caused problems, Daniel died because in junior high school he secretly followed Nathan, who was in a brawl. Daniel suddenly appeared when Nathan was being beaten up. His classmate mistakenly recognized Daniel until he was stabbed in the stomach and he died. Her mother was getting so bad, then she went insane because she lost her dearest child. Her mother regret giving birth to Nathan because she only had Daniel in her memory. Next, once upon a time, his mother remembered Nathan, but Nathan also felt sad because it was the first and the last time before his mother passed away. In this condition, Nathan needs Salma to be by his side. However, Salma was busy with Ivan at school. When he found out that Nathan's mother had died, Salma then visited. But Nathan sent him home because he felt that he was being brought up as the number two. The next day, Salma wanted to apologize, but Nathan wanted to end their relationship. Secretly, Nathan looked at Salma from a distance. His father wants to sell a house full of memories with Daniel and his mother. Nathan was furious and left home and didn't even go to school anymore. He lives and works at his old friend Danny's house. Nathan's father asked Salma to look for him. Salma was successful and tried to persuade him to come home. At the end of the story, they send letters to each other and confess their love for each other too. Finally, Salma accepts Nathan back as her lover again. The strength of the book, Dear Nathan, there are three. The first point is each character is described as having a strong character. The second one is the storyline is good because the conflicts that are presented are arranged sequentially and each problem can be resolved properly. And the last, story contains various life values such as the meaning of friendship, sacrifice, and forgiveness of others.
Next is about the bad things this book. There are slightly difference between the printed novel version with the Wattpad version, which is the Salma friend's name was changed. And then a part of that, the way Nathan spoke to Salma was also strange because they are using greeting saya dan kamu, which is it's too formal. Next, the ending of the story doesn't really solve their problem with each other. At the end of the story, they are just honest with each other about their feelings and become a good friends. But it doesn't really resolve the visible feelings of love between Nathan and Salma. This ending makes some people as a reader will be a little disappointed.
Next is about roundup review. From the targets of the book is, after reading Dear Nathan, considering the genre of the book is teen romance, its target audience, because of that the book would be perfect for high school readers who are going through that romantic life phase. Next is rating. Rating from the Dear Nathan is, the appropriate rating for Dear Nathan will be 8 to 10. This rating comes from how the story is relatable to our daily lives, especially how the storyline tells about the romantic relationship between two high school teenagers who are unstable whether to be serious with each other. It also talks about the great times in high school, friendship, life lessons, and the importance of respecting each other's feelings. Next.
So last, after we know the roundup of Jonathan, we recommended this book is the best one of the audience should choose because it tells about the love story of high school teenagers. The audience of the story is also young people, around 13 until 20 years old. Also, Nathan's struggle in the story can break the reader's feelings. There are problems in the story that are often encoded in today's life, from juvenile delinquency, identity crisis, parental problems, feeling of neglected, peer pressure, and self-acceptance. A compact list of adolescent anxieties is marked, while that long list at some point shifts that plot away from its main focus. It's how Nathan and Salma blossoming romance makes Nathan a better person. It's that narrow problem that makes him even more grounded. Therefore, the audience can be interested to read more following the storyline of Dear Nathan. That's all. Thank you.